Do you suffer from headaches, toothaches, muscle pain, stress, or anxiety? Discover a natural remedy that can help. Powerful acupressure point called Li4 or the Hegu point is often referred to as the master pain point because it is effective in alleviating various types of pain. The point is located on the hand, in the webbing between your thumb and index finger, in the middle of the second metacarpal bone. You can locate it by bringing your thumb and index finger together. The pressure point is at the highest point of the muscle that bulges up when you do this. Using your opposite thumb, apply firm pressure to the point in a circular motion. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes, gradually increasing the pressure as you feel comfortable. Remember to breathe deeply and slowly. This point can also boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even promote healthier skin. You can perform this self-massage technique multiple times a day, whenever you feel the need, but do not use this point if you are pregnant. Stay tuned for more tips on how to harness the power of acupressure to improve your well-being. And remember, your health is in your hands.